Hi guys, my name is Valentina and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to sew a lace bodysuit with laces in the front and back. This is what the sketch looks like. And let's get started. Honestly, it wasn't easy to put the pattern together and I was really confused sometimes, but anyway, I made it, although it took me longer than I thought it would.
By the way, the website where I bought the pattern I leave in the description box.
And for making the bodysuit, I took 3 meters of white stretch lace, the elastic mesh for making a double cup, black fold over elastic, black elastic band, of course black strap elastic, and a lot of rings and sliders. At the bottom of the bodysuit I'm going to sew buttons, so it can be easily unbuttoned, so I need this kind of buttons. For making the bodysuit I totally need 4 or 5 meters of lace, but since I have it wide, 3 meters are enough for me. I got lucky, I didn't have more lace. For the double bra cup I took the cup pattern, the central and the side part, traced it to the tracing paper, then removed 7 millimeters from the beautiful edge and cut out the updated pattern. Then took the elastic mesh, placed the details of the cups along the side of the elastic mesh that stretch more, pin it and cut out the pattern. Next, I connect the bra cups together. First take the lace details, pin it face to face and sew a straight stitch at the middle seam. Then I take the mesh details and put it wrong side to the wrong side, pin it and sew a straight stitch at the middle seam. This way I hide the middle seams inside. I took the mesh cup and put it face up and also took the lace cup and put it face up on the mesh cup. Then I pinned the mesh cup to the lace cup so that the edges of the mesh cup hidden inside the cup. Next I connected the two parts of the back with the cups. Pin and processed it with my favorite seam. And I leave a link with how to do this seam in the description box. Next I added elastic bands to the cup edges so that the edges wouldn't stretch later. First I sewed the loops, then the elastic bands to the edges of the center details, and then the elastic band to the edges of the side details and back. Guys, let's talk about the loops. I added 3 on each side, but I may end up adding a few more. We'll see when the bodysuit will be ready. Next, I start working with the panties. I cut off the shaped edges because I'm going to sew the fold over elastic. I pin the details and the middle and side seams I'm going to process with my favorite seam. And of course it would be easier to do like overlock stitch, but unfortunately I have only sewing machine at the moment. After that, in the gusset area I rounded the corners a little bit because I'm going to sew the buttons there. Oops, guys, I realized that I forgot to sew the loops with the rings on the back, but it's not a big problem, so I'll do it later. Next, I processed the edge of the panties with the fold over elastic. By the way, my favorite elastic. I take the elastic with 1.5 meters and I need only 1 elastic for processing this edge. And guys, handmade is still handmade, so that's why I take a thread and hand needle and sew the buttons by hand. So, I connected the top and bottom of the bodysuit with the stitch I showed here. And all that's left is to make the loops and sew the elastic band on the back. First, I pin the loops and make a straight stitch to fix their position, and then sew the elastic band. This way it's easier to sew the loops. My boy, the disadvantages of this job are obvious. Your eyesight getting worse and you have a back pain. So I think I need to get used to exercising or something. I've already made shoulder straps. I took 2 strap elastic with 60 centimeters length each. I added the satin laces, did my first fitting and realized that I need more loops in the front of the bodysuit. And I added 6 more loops. My lace bodysuit is ready! Check it out! Guys, if you like this bodysuit, let me know in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!